The history of dentures, evolution of a tooth replacement. Dentures were employed for thousands of years as a replacement for teeth for people who've lost natural teeth. The story of dentures' development is an intriguing experience that spans different ages and different cultures. In this short video, we'll look at the history of dentures and how they've evolved through time. Ancient times, the earliest form of dentures. Dentures' use is traced back to early civilizations like the Egyptians, who invented simple versions of dentures with ivory and teeth of animals. In China in the year 700 BC, bamboo was utilized for the development of the first dental set. Dentures made of bamboo were not flawless, yet they set the basis for the future development of better tooth replacement solutions in the coming years. The Renaissance, advancements in denture technology. Through the Renaissance period, technology for dentures advanced rapid. Dental porcelains became popular among the elite of society and provided more natural and lasting solution for replacement of teeth. The 18th century witnessed the development of dentures made of wood designed in order to accommodate the individual's mouth and often made painful to wear. The Industrial Revolution, mass production of dentures. The Industrial Revolution brought significant advancements in technology for dentures, making it possible for mass production of dentures. Vulcanite is a kind of hardened rubber was first introduced as a substitute for dentures. It made the process more affordable and attainable to a greater number of individuals. This was a pivotal moment in the evolution of dentures because they became widely accessible to everyone. Modern dentures, the revolution of implant-supported dentures. Recently, denture technology has progressed further by the introduction of implant-supported dental dentures. Contrary to conventional dentures, which require adhesives or suction to keep them in place, implant-supported ones are connected to dental implants, which can be surgically implanted into the jawbone. This new approach offers the most stable and comfortable denture replacement options for people with multiple missing teeth. The future of dentures, 3D printing and digital dentistry. Technology continues to improve dentures' future promises to be exciting. 3D printing has transformed the process of making dentures, which allows more precise and custom-designed dentures that can be produced in only short amounts of time. Dental technology is playing key roles in the advancement of dentures. This allows better measurements and more precise adjustments to be made in order to guarantee the perfect shape. The story of dentures' development are a tribute to the creativity and ingenuity of humanity. From primitive dentures from old civilizations to the advanced technologies of contemporary dentistry, dentures have advanced far over years. Looking to the future, it's fascinating to look at how the denture technology is set to advance, offering superior tooth replacement options for people who need